Alright guys, here's the old seat, original, with this thing. Yeah, ruined the kickstand, chain, Yoda grips. Alright guys, it's got this bike for free while landscaping. It was always in someone's backyard, and finally the lady offered it to us, so I went ahead and took it home and fixed it up. I didn't do much, but I did. I changed the grips. Got these at Walmart. Added a seat. I had this one laying around. It's pretty comfy. Let's see, we put a new chain. The chain at Walmart. And then the chain ring. I had this lying around. It was it's probably like a mid-80s racing chain ring, aluminum. A little more top end speed. It was hitting the frame here, so I could have added a spacer in here, but I wanted to keep the chain like perfectly straight, lined up with the back sprocket. So I ended up just hitting it with a hammer here, just bent this part in a little. Other than that, it's pretty sweet. I'm gonna give it to my nephew. I've already ridden it a few times. So yeah, I just want to show you that. It's a Huffy Rockit. I did just replace the back inner tube, and I rotated the tires. So this used to be the front tire. This one's not too bad on wear. Some tools I use, the old Chainring. Took off And the kickstand. I'll get into like that. And that's about it. Picked up some grease for the hub.